Today I am hosting an event for the beautiful French skincare brand Avène. I actually love their thermal water and I often use it to set my makeup. So the event is called the Radiance Lab and I'll be hosting a panel and we will be talking about the exciting new ranges, the Vitamin Activ Cg range and the Hyaluron Activ B3 range extensions. There's 2 new products launching. I love this interactive questionnaire where you actually pour your answer into these very scientific beakers. And then we walk through to the next room, which is product display, have a little shot of orange juice in a test tube and have a play with some product displays. You can actually see the raw ingredients as well, which is really cool. And this is all part of the morning routine because it's vitamin C. And then through to the next room, which is the evening routine and your hyaluronic acid. I had my skin analysed and I'm very happy to see that my hydration levels are very good, and have a play with the new cream and eye cream. They're really beautiful textures. Avène is a great range for all skin types, but particularly for sensitive skins. On the panel today, we have Avène's Head of Medical Sales and Training, Janis, Dr. Akriti Gupta, a dermatologist, and Jala Moushi, who's Chemist Warehouse's own Pharmacy Educator, for an insightful discussion on the science of radiance.